Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking you through some of my favorite maxi dresses and a couple of my favorite jumpsuits. I've gotten a lot of people asking me where I get my clothes, and I'm going to share that with you. I'm going to introduce the clothing item, and then I'm going to actually show you a clip of me trying it on, and you can kind of see what it looks like on me so you can kind of get an idea of if it might work for you or not. Oh, I didn't light my candle. Hold on, I gotta go light my candle. Okay. If you guys have any favorite boutiques or favorite clothing items that you'd like to share, please comment below and let me know, because I always love finding new clothing items. I know Valentine's Day is coming up, so actually a couple of these dresses would be perfect for Valentine's Day if you're looking for like a really pretty Valentine's Day dress or jumpsuit. Don't forget to hit that subscription down below if you want to see more videos. I would really appreciate if you did that for me. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the first item. I'm going to kind of show you. It's this pretty maxi dress. This is more see-through material, and it's got all these pretty little dots on here. I'm actually planning on wearing this for Valentine's Day, so I'm really excited. This is a newer purchase, and it's a size small. It's really easy to fit on someone because it's stretchy below the waist. It's not very stretchy at all. So just keep that in mind, but the top is stretchy and it's very comfortable, and it's so feminine and pretty. But I think my favorite thing about this dress are the sleeves. Down here, it just gathers at the wrist and it makes it look so feminine. So I really love this dress. I actually was gonna buy this from onelovebabe.com at first, but then I went on to, I believe, Henley. I'll be sure to link it down below. And this was like $10 cheaper, and they had a 20% discount. So you can definitely compare prices between boutiques, because some of these are on several boutiques that I'm going to mention down below, and sometimes it's better to compare the prices because one boutique might have a better price than the other. Alright, so the next clothing item is another maxi dress, and I got this from Rulie. It's this really pretty light brown color. My favorite thing about this dress is the neckline. Really brings attention to the shoulder, and it's just so flattering and pretty, and it's just very simple. I have this dress in a size small. It has like these really pretty designs down the front, like this threading, and then it's got like this really pretty slit that is so eye-catching. It's really comfortable as well. It has this stretchy waist, and so it's gonna adjust to your figure. It also kind of has that little gathering at the wrist too. For some reason, I really have a thing for this right now. I've worn this on a couple dates and I got so many compliments on it. So it's just very simple and very eye-catching with the slit down the side, and if you wear it with the right shoes, so pretty. So the next dress that I want to show you is from Henley. It's this beautiful velvet dress, and when you see the video, you'll see that it's like a fold or like a wrap dress. I love these dresses. I think they're so flattering, and I'm saying flattering for everything. What else can I say? Okay, I got a size small in this dress. The thing that I like about it is the really pretty fluttery sleeves. You'll see that as a trend in the dresses that I have. I think they're so cute. This dress is beautiful. It's another wrap dress, and then it also has like this zipper down the side that kind of like follows your figure. It's a very slimming dress. It makes you look smaller than you really are, which I don't mind. But this is more of a summer maxi dress, or more of like for the spring. I wore this a lot last summer. I honestly don't know if this is still available, and I'm really sorry if it's not, but I had to mention it in this video because I wore it so much. But I think it's so pretty, and it's like those cap fluttery sleeves, and it just catches the wind and flies up, and it's just so pretty and romantic and feminine. I don't know, girly. But I love the big red flowers on it. The back is really pretty. This is in a size small. I got this from Maurice's. It's a full-length maxi dress. Last dress, and then we'll move on to jumpsuits. Okay, I got this from Morning Lavender. I got this during the Black Friday sale. This is in a size medium. I wasn't sure. I had never gotten clothing from this boutique, so I didn't know what size to get. First thing, all of these snap, so it's really easy to put this on. But you also have to be careful about walking. And now I saw the buttons are gonna fly open. But yeah, see, they come apart really easily. So just be careful with that if you look into buying this. That is something that I noticed with this dress, is that they snap open really easily. So I'm actually thinking about sewing shut, like from here down. That way I don't have a problem with that. But yeah, I really do love this dress. It's so cute and girly. I have a brown shirt just like this, but I prefer this white with these little sleeves. I really do love these sleeves. I'm not sure why. It's like a big trend right now. And I got this shirt from One Loves Babe, and this is in a size small. Next, I wanted to talk about this jumpsuit. I wear this a lot. I actually wear it to church a lot. I find this so flattering and very comfortable because I love comfortable things. My next jumpsuit is actually from American Eagle. The thing that I really love about American Eagle is that they have sizes for tall people. This is in a size 8. It's a little cold to wear right now, but this is definitely something that I'm gonna be wearing come summertime for sure. Alright guys, so that is all that I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.